Hi, third graders. As a class, you've been reading James and the Giant Peach, and today you discuss some different types of weather that you could experience at different places in the world during different seasons. And underneath that, it said be creative and give some different ways that these types of weather could be formed. So I hope you used your imagination to think up of lots of different ways that different kinds of weather could be formed. Maybe not the real way, but something kind of like in James and the Giant Peach, something that maybe wouldn't really happen. Your assignment for your response to reading is that in your reader's notebook, you're going to imagine that you're one of the cloudmen. So think about the cloudmen from the book. And they did different things with the weather, right? So you're going to choose a type of weather, something that you talked about in your class, or maybe something else that you can think of, and you're going to write a paragraph giving details of how you would create that weather if you were a cloud man and what you would do to get that kind of weather down to earth. Be sure to use correct spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. And then when you're finished writing your paragraph, you can draw a picture to show the cloudmen and the weather that they've created and what they're doing to get it down to earth. Have fun with this. Use your imagination.